Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 4.2 question number 5. Illustrate if possible each one of the following with a rough diagram. Question number A. Question number A is a closed curve that is not a polygon. Suppose we have to know what is the definition of polygon. Polygon has two properties. Number one is it should be made up of a straight line. It should be made up of straight lines. It should be made up of straight line. And the second property is that it is a closed curve, right? It is a closed curve. Second property is that it is a closed curve. It is closed. These are the two properties of a polygon, right? A closed curve that is not a polygon, right? That means if we draw like this three straight line and one curve, then you can say it is not a polygon. It is not but a closed figure. Here if you see, suppose this is point A, initial point and final point is same, but that is a closed curve, but it is not a polygon. It is not a polygon because it is made up of one curved line. You see this is curve, right? Not a polygon. You can draw another way like this, two straight line and another curve, right? It is also not a polygon. It is not a polygon. Not a polygon. Now question number B. An open curve made of entirely line segment. Open curve, this is very easy. Suppose this one entirely line segment, but it is open curve, or you can say like this. This is also open curve entirely of line segment, or you can say like this. These are all open curves and made up of entirely line segment 3, or you can 4, or you can write 5 also. 1 2 3 4 and 5. This is also an open curve, right? These are the open curve made up of entirely line segment. This is question number B. And question number C. A polygon with two sides. Suppose a polygon has two sides. We have done two sides. We have done, right? But you see, these are made up of a straight line, but it is not closed. Therefore, it cannot be possible. Therefore, it is not possible. Therefore, it is not possible to draw. It is not possible to draw. Possible to draw. Right? Now you see, again a closed curve that is not a polygon. A polygon has two properties. It should be made up of a straight line and it should be closed. Here you see, you have draw two figure, that is this one, right? This one, it has three straight line and one curved line, therefore it is not a polygon. It has two straight line and one curved line, therefore it is not a polygon. An open curve made up of entirely line segment. You see there are three straight lines, but it is open. It is because the initial point and final point is not same. Here also it is open, here also it is open, here also it is open, right? A polygon with two sides, if we make two sides, right, but it is not closed, therefore it is not a polygon. Therefore we can say that it is not possible to draw with two sides that may be a polygon, right? This is the solution of question number 5.